guys, I hope you all well. I am the founder of Techsort and today I am telling you how to download Adobe Photoshop for free. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Firstly, you have to open your browser and write get into PC. Click on the first link and then search Adobe Photoshop 2020. Download the first one. Click on the download button. It will start downloading here. Here is the zip file you downloaded. Set the setup. Password is 123. When you extract the setup file, setup will open. Then you have to select English International. I already downloaded it, but you can select the path where you want to save it. After the installation, you can search Adobe Photoshop 2020. And here is your software, Adobe Photoshop 2020. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.